條線好集中防守，其實今日如果整體係我覺得係好滿意嘅。
係啊，同埋咧足總杯咧真係好激㗎呢幾場，係咁射12碼，得呢場唔使射。咁啊，
真係唔好輕敵咯，即係始終東區佢都好多
啱交手員
有經驗嘅，
係啦，都係唔易嘅。
Good, yeah. Feeling obviously a lot better, but still need to regain fitness and sharpness. But at least I'm happy to be able to play and train and everything. But still need to work on my fitness and get back to being where I was.
拜拜。女足嘅焦點大戰啊，網手大戰即係亞冠爭奪戰，人足社對傑志啊。3月8號啊，星期日足總杯最後一場嘅賽事。咁琴日足總杯就好激啦，2場都12碼。咁結果大埔咧就戲劇性反勝呢個傑志。咁啊，即係先入咗去先啦。咁大埔咧隻對手咧就會係呢個李文嘅。李文啱啱喺嗰邊咧3-2流落嚟，估都估唔到啊，都係好激啊！咁呢一邊咧就係嚟緊咧贏嗰隊咧就會對東區啊，而家係北區同港會啦。咁因為港會嘅話，北區就應該大機會少少啦。係啦，咁我哋而家馬上入場睇波。好。
呢個係青衣嘅運動場。
嗱，首先要修正翻頭先先。原來頭先李文竟然係3-3射12碼輸撚埋，我直頭唔知啊！好彩阿嘉爺佢哋趕過嚟咧，就屌晒老味話李文做乜撚嘢，輸咗。應該話炒教練之類啦，咁但係希望今日北區就唔會12碼。係啊，3場都12碼。希望今日唔會啦，希望今日簡簡單單就贏波啦。嗱，嗰邊北區嘅今日即係擺唔到咁多外援啦，佢哋都坐喺度，希望輕輕鬆鬆會贏波。搞掂！邊個射啊？
做一個短傳入滲，艾路保利達撩到俾黃俊浩 set 到埋嚟，格蘭特開咗波13。
哇！12分鐘呀，我哋啲嘢都未食完啊，食到一半咋，入咗波啦已經。
我都未拎咗自己嘅。
係啊。喂，靚喎！就係控定180度轉身勁抽上角，都俾佢救到。
長驅直進啦，佢嘅射門省咗港會球員之後咧，其實呢球波好難黐嘅。
2分鐘咯
喎。哇！加蘭特就嚟廿球咯，咁樣。同我哋預測一樣啊，就係上半場整多粒。阿嘉爺都講得好準喎，俾你估中。旺角長見啊，4強。
Decision is go。
啊，北區係打多人第一場㗎，先贏咗南區，而家如無意外贏埋港會，咁啊跟住對東區。
半場2比0領先啊！
哇，跟住佢。
喂！哇！哇靚喎！哇過到啦！哎呀！好嘢，keep住啊！Samuel hat trick，we
want hat trick。
其實咧想同阿莊文嚟傾偈好耐嘅，係咩？邀請佢落嚟先。
Thank you very much。
阿莊文嚟其實好靚仔㗎，我哋梗係要同佢傾下偈啦。
Good to see you come back.
Thank you.
After a very serious injury, how's your status right now? Your current status?
Good, yeah. Feeling obviously a lot better, but still need to regain fitness and sharpness. But at least I'm happy to be able to play and train and everything. But still need to work on my fitness and get back to being where I was.
Oh, so you still on recovery and.
Yeah, not 100%, but yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, next question. You know your girlfriend will have a very important game next week.
Yes.
And TSL against Kichi.
Yes.
What's your comment? Any?
Have you watched?
Will you watch?
I will be there.
You'll be there.
Yeah. So
Very
big
important
game,
game.
a very important game for them. So
A game of the season.
yeah,
Serious.
this will be very decisive to see who will win the league. So I've spoke to her, spoke to the coach. They got a big week of training this week. They'll be working very hard. So hopefully they do well.
Give you a full support to your girlfriend.
我哋以為佢今日會喺度㗎，佢唔係係咪去咗練波好緊張啊？
We wonder she is here to support you today. Is she training right now? You prepared for this game?
We already trained this morning, but then I'm not playing, so she stayed at home.
Yeah.
But me and her trained this morning in the gym. So
Oh, I see.
就係咧，你幾時先可以攞場踢波咧？
weekend hopefully,
Hopefully.
final home game. So it would be very good to play back in front of the home fans and everything. So I'm aiming for that game.
最後一場主場應該會復出嘅。係啦。
我哋一定會嚟睇你比賽啊！
係。
你同佢講，你話你好近港會嘅，
Oh,
少過嚟睇你。
my home is really near by Happy Valley.
Yeah.
Okay. So you'll be there?
Watch you.
其實咧，之前我哋只要咧係對港會咧，我哋都希望同阿莊文嚟傾下偈嘅。咁因為知道復出啊嘛，咁估唔到今日咧，我哋行過去港會嗰邊咧，就真係見到佢喎。咁啊，馬上同佢傾下偈啦。咁亦都講起下禮拜女足嘅焦點大戰啊，網手大戰，即係亞冠爭奪戰，人足社同傑志啊。因為佢老朋友咧，阿 Royce 啊，荷蘭中堅啊，就係傑志嘅即係非常重要嘅主將嚟噶嘛。咁但係上一場人足社喺首循環就2-0就爆咗佢哋啦。所以頭先同佢講話，問佢會唔會出場，即係佢會唔會睇波？佢話一定會去啦呢場波，但係我哋就可能會打對台啊，唔係因為你打對台，我哋都係支持人足社噶啦。我都去睇好人足社啦，佢又睇傑志，咁啊到時咧又可以再同佢傾下偈啦。咁希望今場波就簡簡單單，北區就嚟個 hat-trick 3-0，咁我哋足總杯咧就可以翻旺角場睇啦。咁但係最緊要都係啦，下禮拜啦，阿嘉爺都話女足呢場一定會去睇啦。希望多啲人去青衣支持，呢場波係一定會好睇㗎，仲會分分鐘有櫻花嘅靚女出現㗎。咁啊，大家期待下先。好。
咁啊，好多呢啲咁嘅小組咧，其實真係做得係相當之唔錯。咁啊，所以呢個波咧，即係對方嘅解。
球迷飛仔估錯喎，點解要補咁多咧？
因為今日李文咧嗰鑊嘢咧，個個都真係好驚啊！保持3-3，
個個都驚啊！真係而家。
哇，冇啦咁樣。
比賽結束啦！
北區有驚無險，有驚無險。
比賽結束啦！北區獲得咗呢場足總杯8強嘅勝利。
今日都好難得，原來最後咧188人入場啫，但係真係冇計，因為有頭場李文嗰邊，加上今日時間唔係好食飯時間咁樣。
北區贏咗3-1港會啊嘛，向現場球迷致意啊！
都唔容易啊，始終已經叫之前輸2場啦，上日和咗，咁而家即係計咗3場之後贏翻，同埋足總杯係非常緊要。只要你知道琴日嗰幾場，加埋今日李文出埋局，你就知道足總杯一場不易啊！而且北區已經係贏咗2場，先後淘汰咗南區同埋港會。
今場入咗2球波嘅功臣格蘭特啦。
Samuel 啦，羅利漢豪啦，
我後都救咗幾球點球嘅。
咁啊，中堅都好緊要，米祖域第一次贏波，啊，鐘海文都落咗去。球好激啊！雖然臨尾都失咗球，但係都有驚無險啊！好，今日表現點？
咁今日其實個目標當然係贏波啦，
係咯係咯。
球隊都對於足總杯都好重視，希望喺個杯賽度有叫做一個好啲嘅成績，睇下有冇機會可以衝擊一下下屆嘅亞洲賽啦。咁喺個過程度咁都順利能夠領先到啦。咁即係對防守球員嚟講就係可惜俾對手入到一球，即係個目標上都希望係可以以零失球完成個比賽。咁但係宏觀成個比賽個過程對於球隊整體發揮都尚算滿意。
好，咁啊下場努力，我哋希望4強穩陣，跟住殺入決賽，係咯，即係穩陣嘅3-0領先住咁樣。
係。
好，今日整場滿唔滿意先？
整場都滿意嘅，即係喺個防守上面，近呢幾場我哋今日之前我哋即係3場都失咗8球，咁我都提過我哋防守失球係好高啦，咁希望大家做好咗個防守，跟住我哋先去進攻。
好似上半場係放慢一少少節奏先嘅，好似係，所以今日防守係幾穩陣嘅。
今日係特別係有啲調整嘅，咁同埋個球場，我哋嚟到嘅時候都發覺即係有一定嘅影響啦，係啊，咁我哋喺踢法上面都調整咗，咁但係先做好咗防守，但係大家我諗前場、中場去到後衞啦，3條線好集中嘅防守，其實今日如果整體係我覺得係好滿意嘅。
係啊，同埋咧足總杯咧真係好激㗎呢幾場，係咁射12碼，得呢場唔使射。咁啊呢個李文同傑志先頭好意外地出咗局，而家大家都對北區好有希望啊！我哋再次嚟過4強，旺角場又見過咁樣。
係
啦，
一定。
係啊，我相信大家都會即係 焦點喺就北區嗰度啊，下線呢度。
好，我哋要繼續努力㗎。
係啊，好
OK
緊要呢一球。
不嬲都有信心嘅，
係
唔係入波。最緊要球隊贏波啦，係咯。入波對我嚟講都重要，不過
重要，喂呢球好緊要嘛，我哋安心晒喺上面，即刻一見到入波，咪先即刻定晒啊！
好。
係啊，咁我季初嗰陣同佢傾過就話，都想爭取下杯賽㗎嘛。而家似乎亞冠之路咧有少少綠燈喎，係咪點啊？覺得？
我咁睇啦，即係可能贏波咯，最緊要即係唔好
逐場計啦，
逐場計啦，即係唔好輕敵咯。即係始終東區佢都好多
啱交手員
有經驗嘅，
係啦，都係唔易食嘅，
唔易踢嘅，係啊。但係希望就贏到呢場杯賽入決賽咯，跟住係咯。
係啦，我哋旺角場見啦，到時一定要多啲人一齊入嚟支持。
好，thank you。